Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied some logical functions. And now in today's class, we will also learn more about some more logical functions. So let's start the class guys. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this Coalesce DAX function. So let's go to the reference page. And here we can read the definition. It returns the first expression that does not evaluate to blank. If all expression evaluate to blank, blank is returned. I know guys, you might get confused after reading this definition. But no worry guys, once you will see the practical, you will easily understand that how and when we use Coalesce DAX function. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. And I have created one table here, which name is dates. So go to the data view. So guys, firstly I will apply Coalesce DAX function here and then we will understand the explanation of Coalesce. So firstly I will go here in new column. And let me rename this as Coalesce. And now I will write my DAX function which is Coalesce. And now guys look at the parameters. So the first parameter is value 1. Under value 1 guys, we need to select this days column which is from the dates table, comma, and the next parameter is value 21. So I will take this month column which is again from the dates table, comma, and the last parameter is value 22. So I will take this year which is again from dates table, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our result is here. And now let's understand the explanation of this DAX function. So here we can see guys, under this Coalesce function, I have taken 3 columns which is days, month and year. So it results the same guys if our value is non-blank. So here we can see guys, under this days column, this value is non-blank. So our result is 10. If you see the second record guys, here answer is 20 which is non-blank. So here answer is 20. And now move to the third record which is blank. So guys, if the first value is blank, then Coalesce function says go to the second column and check the value is blank or non-blank. So here we can see guys, here value is non-blank. So it is considering this 1. If its value is also blank, then it will go to the next column and check the value is blank or non-blank. And now move to the next record. So here we can see guys, this record is blank. So here second column is month. So it will go here in month and check that is blank or non-blank. So here we can see guys, this is non-blank. So here answer is 9. And now go to the next record. So here we can see guys, our cell is blank. So it will go into the month column and check whether the value is blank or non-blank. Then it will go to the third parameter and check whether the value is blank or non-blank. So here value is non-blank. That's why here answer is 2022. In a similar way guys, you guys can see other records as well. So I hope guys now you have clear understanding of Coalesce function, that how we can apply and when we use this Coalesce function. Now move to the next topic of our today's class. So the next topic is if.eager. This function is just same like if statement. So let's go to the reference page to understand if.eager. So here we can see guys, check a condition and returns one value when true, otherwise it returns a second value which is false. And here you guys can also see the same parameter which is very similar like if statement. And if I scroll it down here, so here we can see guys, this is an example where they have used some variable functions and in return they have used if logical statement. So if and if.eager are same, but for the performance wise this function is really useful. Whenever we are calculating repeating value, like sometimes we use total sales multiple times. So in this kind of scenario we can use this if.eager because it improves the performance of our model. So let's go to the Power BI desktop, and firstly I will create 2 variables and after that we will apply if condition. Variable is a different concept guys, and I know guys most of you are well aware about this concept. But if you don't have any idea about that variable, so no need to worry about it, we will surely cover in our upcoming videos. And guys, you have also studied some variables in schools like x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So what is the x plus y? So here in a similar way guys, we can use variable in Power BI. And now let's create one measure. So I will go here in new measure, and my measure name is, let's say, difference. And here I will press shift plus enter to jump into second line. And now I will write var, which is a short form of variable. And now I will declare my variable. So my variable name is, let's suppose, Shubham. And please keep in mind guys, whenever we are creating variable, we don't need to use any space. And now I will write equal to. Let's suppose our Shubham value is 50. And again I will press shift enter to jump into next line. And now I will declare one more variable. And I will add one more name here. So this time I will write Nikhil equal to 60. And again I will press shift plus enter and jump into next line. And now I will write my statement. First I will enter return. Here return means guys what we want in return. So I will press shift plus enter, and now I will write my if statement. And under if function guys, I will use this Shubham and Nikhil as a variable. Not I will write 50 or 60. So bracket start guys, and my logical test is if Shubham is greater than equal to 40. So my answer would be 6, else 10, and close the bracket. So here we can see guys our measure has created here. And now let me drag and drop it here and convert into card visual. So our answer is 6 guys, because I have given the statement here if my value is greater than equal to 40. So 50 is greater than equal to 40. So that's why our answer is 6. If I write here 60, so our answer become 10, because our value is greater than 50. And let me edit this, and here I will apply if Shubham is greater than Nikhil. So our answer would be Nikhil, else Shubham, and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, so here Shubham value is 50. That's why it's displaying 50. And now if I replace this measure with if dot eager, and let's see the difference guys. So here answer are still same. So whenever we are performing such kind of calculation, that means if we are using same thing again and again, so we need to use if dot eager, because normal if statement function guys, it impacts our performance on data model. However, if you use this if dot eager function, that will surely help you to improve performance. So whenever you are doing such calculation with repeated values, you need to use this if dot eager. I hope guys now you are clear with the difference of if and if dot eager. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is if error. So let's go to the DAX reference page, and here we read the definition guys. It evaluates an expression and returns a specified value if the expression returns an error. Otherwise, it returns the value of expression itself. It is same like guys is error function. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and go to data view. And guys, I have created one more table here which name is new. So here we can see guys, I have divided this value 2 column with value 1. Wherever the 0 guys, it is returning error, because any value we cannot divide by 0. That is why it returning error. And now I will go here on new column, and I will use my if error function. So let me replace this as if error. And now I will write my DAX function, which is if error. And look at the parameter guys. So the first parameter is value. Under value parameter guys, I will take this divide column. Simply I will write divide, which is from the new table, comma, and the next parameter guys is value if error. That means if any error is found in the column, so what will be the result? So I want as 100. That means if error is found, it returning 100 and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, wherever the error is getting, it returning 100. So I hope guys now you are clear understanding with if error function. And those who are new to this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press bell icon, else you will miss an update. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorial guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. You guys can go here and watch this series from scratch. And for the job seekers guys, we also have this Telegram channel, where I keep posting latest jobs opening of Power BI. And you guys can also see some scenario based question here. And if anyone is looking paid sessions guys, so I am also providing paid training sessions. All the links are given under the description box. You guys can connect me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.